There, not a tropical system yet, but it is subtropical, and we'll talk about it in a second. As Jade said, though, really the main thing, of course, for us is we get to enjoy this absolutely gorgeous fall weather. Temperatures right now in the 70s, and looking at our winds, they're mostly from the northeast up to about 5 or 10 miles per hour. And satellite and radar imagery, of course, radar is quiet. Satellite imagery showing a few of these clouds moving from the south to the north and northeast across some of our southern zones. Overall, though, still just a gorgeous day. And here's actually a little boundary with some dry air expected to filter in and keep things nice tomorrow and into Wednesday. So today, mostly sunny. We'll say our high around 76, which is very close to average for this point in November, the first day of November. Northeast winds you can see up to 5 or 10 miles per hour through the afternoon, and just looking beautiful. I hope you can enjoy it. Lots of bright sunshine, blue skies, and then this evening does turn chilly. And it was so nice to have a Halloween night a little bit on the chilly, kind of cool side last night, I thought. Tonight will be cool again, maybe a degree or two higher than our lows from early this morning, which were in the upper 40s north and upper 50s south of Lake Pontchartrain. But you can see we'll mostly be in the 50s again with mostly clear skies. So this could be our wake up forecast for tomorrow morning. A jacket or a light coat probably needed for most of us once again. Tomorrow and Wednesday look very nice, continuing with the beautiful weather. Thursday will increase the rain chance to about 40 to 50%. I wanted to show you quickly, though, that models have very different solutions for what's going to happen. Here's the European model giving us for Thursday up to maybe an inch plus of rain, mostly showers and a few thunderstorms. But the GFS model, look at this, has barely any rain as we move into Thursday and Friday. We will see. They have some different things that they're looking at as far as, how much moisture is returning and what could be driving the showers with that front on Thursday. We'll keep you updated. For now, we'll keep the rain chance near about 40 or 50%. Someone asked me recently on Twitter, when is the first freeze day? I can't believe we're in that part of the year where we're talking about this, but I went ahead and looked for you, and New Orleans and Slidell, it's December 14th for New Orleans for the average date, looking at the average over the past several decades. And then for Slidell, which goes back through the 90s, November 20th. And I also looked up the earliest on record, and that was as early as October 29th, 2008 for Slidell. And in New Orleans, November 1st was the earliest on record from the 90s. Looking outside in the tropics really quickly, we do have Wanda out here. It is a subtropical storm and kind of hard to see, but this is the general circulation with Wanda. It looks like somewhere when it starts to meander a little farther to the north, it might be able to become a fully tropical system. Right now, it's kind of a hybrid. It started out with some fronts attached to it, so it wasn't just a completely tropical storm, and it still isn't, but looks like it might happen with a transition, perhaps, as the storms get clustered closer to the center. We'll see. If that does happen, it would be a fully tropical system. But either way, it still took the W name. You can see it will be weakening eventually later this week as it moves over those cooler northern waters, more northerly waters of the Atlantic. So far this year, that brings us to our 21 named storms. And just looking at the named storms by themselves, this year is the third most. And again, this is just the numbers. It's been a little easier, of course, to detect the storms. And also subtropical systems used to not get names before the early 90s. But you can see that, of course, we remember last year with those 30, the record in 2020 named storms. Our 7-day forecast shows the nice weather through Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday will probably have a few more clouds, but still a very pleasant day. Late Wednesday night and into Thursday could be our next rain chance. And as we move toward the weekend, again, the model's differing on how cold it will get after, but some suggestions are that it could be even chillier than last weekend. So we'll keep you updated.
All right, looks good. Thanks so much, Alexandra.